Like I'm the mob. Woo! Toy and Tiffany. Yo, yo, yo. I'm a loser, bro. No, that shit came out of nowhere. I don't even know which one is my notes or which one is. Alright, it's gotta be. I'll delete this. Alright. So for 30, it won't really nothing for 30, but we missed it. So for 30, you seen this right here. This was the first spot. We know 30 was going to buy today. So even so, I like these setup. This is probably like this was probably like the best setup you probably could have seen all day. So it comes up, comes back down, it plays around. Let's see. Or even if we go to 1 minute, it comes here, boom. You enter, don't enter here. So say it comes up here, boom, 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 comes back down here. So this one was probably the best setup we could get right here. Instead of this right here, now 1 with 2. And at most it at least gotta come to here. Yeah, I like this one. So this one and this was probably like a 9 out of 10 setup. This you probably want to enter because it's the 9:30 candle. Wait like 15 minutes, but it is. Yeah, it's 9:30. But this is probably the best one. Only one. I don't know which one I enter. I just signed it out. See what we call it. Yup, gold. Enter this gold shit, lost. But I ain't tripping, man. I was mad I missed this 30 shit. I was like 30 looking good. This was a clean setup. Clean setup. But I was like, fuck, I was like, I just missed it. I just missed it. But this was a clean setup. 30, it was only one trade you could take today. One clean trade. like a clean, like a nice setup trade was this one right here before the 930 candle. And even if you held to it, shit, you could have held to here. That would have been crazy profits. So that's probably the only thing you've seen from 30. And then like even if we speed it up, we speed it up. I wouldn't want to say there. Like a nigga like I don't like that. I don't really like this one. It ain't really enough. Like, like you can, but like I wouldn't want to do it. But we can make a thing because we is in our testing phase just to see what price does. I don't even care if price reacts to it. I just want to see what it does. Okay, now like I'm more like this. I'm more objective of like right here to like right here. Let's see. Let me see what I see on 30. So boom, price reacts here. Boom, boom, boom. You don't enter this one though. See what price does again. So boom, reacts again. Still went into. Now it reacts a third time. Now we see what price does. So it's not showing us something. Well, it did kind of show us something. Like this first one did kind of show us something. This first one did kind of show us something. Came back, we could have entered. That's a nice one right here. Uh, we're gonna say number two, more studying. We found three red candles. I don't really like this one. Bullish, bullish candle. All right, this one now. This one we will look for something here, but if it don't show us nothing, it just won't show us. So boom. Now we go. Now we're looking at this. We looking at an area from right here. So like this one, I see this one. I don't really see this one. Boom, boom, boom. You probably wouldn't cap this one. You try to your best look for this one, the third one. That third one, you probably did a better setup. Oh shit. So now we going back. So boom. This was probably at most. And all I seen on gold today was this. Yeah. You probably could even just move this back to the side. You don't want to stretch it too bad. So this is what we seen today, but we could have capped one more. And this, I don't really like this one too much. This is probably like a study phase. Study low. Okay, support area. All right. Now, now for this one, so let's see. back. So boom, this is how we are starting today. We're starting off with buys, to be honest. You can see as it's ranging. It's ranging up to the buy. So this is, you just gotta look at price, and it's showing us kind of buys. So it's like giving us this strong bullish hit though right here. That's it right here. So you start at 7. We can we could run it. So even we start at 7, it's 5. Let's just say we start at 7. So 5. It's 5 o'clock. All right, 7. If we get to go overall, you can say it's this. So like sell on this day. You sell on this day. You try to sell on this day, it doesn't work. It pops back up. You sell on this day. On to this day. You sell. Let's see, did I sell? Yep, you sell. Comes back up. Either you really want to. It's like you don't want to switch the buy momentum because you don't really want to switch the buy. Like, okay, so now you buy. So just try this buy. It comes all the way down. Boom, you out there. You start off for the day. You sell off today. You come back here. You try to sell off today. It goes for a buy. You come to this day. You sell off. Okay. You try to sell off this day. You trying to. It's really like a break evenish day. Like this is like a ranging day to me. Like this is a point of emphasis where market is just like wow. Like I wouldn't want to like you got to make this like a okay. So like this is like a you got to put it in text like a let's see. Where's the text at? 7/10/2025. You gotta remember, it's like a C day. It's like a tier, uh, tier 3 trading day. So it's like like a tier 3 trading day. So what this basically means is like you don't really know because market structure, you always follow market structure, but you want a confluence of all your stuff. So if you follow like okay, like I said, you want to follow market structure to the T. So you follow like say if this ain't sell, but market structure is kind of showing you sell and your indicators is showing you sell, you sell. So boom. It comes here. You sell, look, it's showing you sales. It's like a tier 1, kind of tier 1 ish. Now you're looking at here, like right here. This is like a tier, like it's coming up here. This turns, this can be a tier 1, but this turns into a tier 2. Like, all right, this is like a tier 2 day. This is a tier 1. Like look at this. This tier 1 because it went from up to down. Really, it's like a tier 3 day. So like a tier 3. So like so say we in buy momentum. Our daily bias probably would have been buy. We'd have bought right here, boom. Really tier 2, so we'd have bought right here, boom. Then after like 10 o'clock, it just stay in sell. So it comes up, it comes back down when 7 open up. Uh okay, you can say tier 1 day because it sell. So smack. And you comes back. It comes up to open, smack, probably like a tier 2 day. It comes here. This is crazy tier 1. This is a crazy tier 1 day because it comes down. It's at high and it's still in it. So you see how this is a tier 1 day. So Tuesday. So let's go tier. So what is it? 7, 8. No, this is what we know. This is what we're gonna do. tier 3. Tier 3. Let's see. So Tuesday. So Tuesday we could write 7/8/2025 equals tier tier 1 trading. Sometimes you just gotta to get better. You have to understand the days though. Like sometimes y'all be like, why the strategy don't work? Cause look, even think about it. So let's go to let's just see like this one, like July. Let's just see July. Say we come on, come on, y'all. So okay, we gonna go back to today, but I just wanted to show you why this is tier 1. So say it's tier 1, go 5. It's in higher highs. It's telling us to sell. Like look, it's in higher highs. It's telling us to sell. It's not breaking here. Once New York open, indicator is showing to sell. Market structure is telling you to sell. It's at a high price. It's showing you so much confluences that it still can sell. So all you really want to do at this point is draw your indicators now where you want to sell at. So boom, boom, where you want to sell at? Just tell me. All right, just move this for now. All right, just move this for now. So boom. So we go down to the 1 minute. Boom, 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 boom. You see a large indicator it wants to sell. Large indicator it wants to sell. Even so, still too high. So what we can do? So it ain't really okay. So large indicator you want to sell. Boom, boom, boom. It comes back up. So multi 3. It'll sell like a multi 3. We want it to come in here, low key here. So boom, it loses. Okay, boom, it loses. So now come back here. So what can we say? You see this one right here. I see it wakes out all of this. Boom, boom, high self pressure. High sell pressure. So boom. And as you can see, so much confluences. There's so much confluences right here. As you can see, it's so much confluences telling me to sell. Like, yes, you probably couldn't sell here. If you want to get in, you probably low ball it. But this one, you probably make like a 50 ball. Like, this is more of a better. I ain't even saying this one is not even really bad. So it comes here. You see this bullish momentum. It smacks here again. You probably think it's going. But it should have been like a lower low. Maybe. And then all right, so this is a good one, right? This is a perfect one because it comes to price so right here. Like this is something I'm taking it here. I'm taking this one to here. Oh, this is a good one right here. So we got this one, Yeah, so it would have been 1 for 1. So but we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. Now we go in the 5 minute. We go back to the 5 minute. What is it telling us? See what we can find. Okay. Now 5 minutes it breaks out from this area right here. Area here. This is an area of interest. 1 minute. We probably never come back up here again though. Um, so we probably get one setup. Or to be honest, you're looking at the 15 and it's at a higher high. You probably can hold to like something like right here. All right, look, it's at a low. I just say this, like, all right, it sells, come back, it comes all the way back up here, selling off. So it comes up, it comes up, and boom, comes up again. The 5 point. Now it's to a point you have to understand the market. Instead of catching this, you actually could have caught this right here, but you could have also missed out on this opportunity. So what I'm trying to figure out is how can I not miss out on these gains? Look at this gains. Like, yes, I could have got me a nice 3 to 1. Don't get me wrong. You would have failed one, you would have won one. If you trade 1%, probably 0.5%, that'd have been what? That'd have been what, 1% for the day. Probably like 1.2% for the day. But what if you could just gain all of this? That would have been like a nice 4. So not too. I would be too sure, and that's why I got to figure out. Like this would be one right here. Breaks out from here. This is weak. Probably wouldn't take it too serious. But yeah, but this was this was a you can tell this was a like I said, this was a tier 1, but today was a tier B because look, all right, let's check this out. All right, let's go back to 15. We done with the replay, so boom. Because we still thinking about selling, but it can't knock off the sale. Like it can't just be like, hey, I want to start buying now. Like you try to buy here, this is a good buy. Like you probably bought here, came down once it broke this, you're switching your buys to sales probably. Especially maybe this at most, but you probably switching your buys to sales. It came from here. It's not breaking this. This was a crazy setup. So what I'm seeing for the, just look at it. Okay, what do you want to say? Because me, I want to sell, but my thing is telling me to buy. So it's not confluence anyways. So it's not confluencing. But to say we do buy. I have one structure from here, from here. This is it's breaking, don't get me wrong, but it's really coming back. So and this is our cell structure right here. So we're in this range and area. So this whole shit to me right here is just a bunch of range. Let's see. Just a range in area. Just a range in That's a range in area. Just arranging. Just arranging area. It was just arranging area for today. Oh man. So just arranging area. So even so, taps here. I don't know what it wants to do. It's in a ranging area, as you can see. Like it's at a point of emphasis where a sell broke out hard. You gotta remember, a sell broke out hard right here. So, so I'm like, we could delete this though. Sales broke out hard right here. Broke out hard. Really right here, but we gonna say this is the range in area. Cause sales, this is the point of sales. All right, even if you go right here, like say, all right, let's just go to 15. We're gonna go to 15, right? So yeah, sales broke out from here. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, we can say sales broke out from here to here. Okay, that's clean. 5, 15, 15 is more cleaner. So as you can see, this is the point of emphasis where you want to sell, but this is a point of emphasis you want to buy, ranging. So this is this ranging area you're kind of in on. So my best bet is to get out of the range, and your best bet is to enter down here. So entries. So if anything, you can enter right here, or you could sell like right here. So you can sell or enter right here at most. All right. And you just keep your stop loss tight. So what can you do? That's the most you probably can do. Is you see how I just like, even so, like, all right, let's just look at this. So boom. Like I bought here today. Like I bought this. Boom. I think it's gonna buy. But once it broke out of here, came back, thing you buy here. If anything, you probably can buy this or this one. Regardless, you almost barely get this. Regardless of each one. But like I said, I don't know what the fuck it did today. I know I was trying to buy, but it's in its just ranging area. Boom. So alright, it's in its ranging area. Whole shit ranging. So it comes to here. The most you can do, the best thing you probably could have did was buy from here to all the way over there. To like right here. Don't even wanna you don't even wanna push it. You probably just wanna buy here to like somewhere like right here. You don't wanna push it because uh you just don't, because why would you? In all honesty. Why would you push it? You wouldn't, to be honest. But yeah, you just don't want to push it. And yeah, that's it. So that's probably the best thing you could have did with that. Like I said, I entered a little early and lost. Hoorah. And then, like I said, what? So this is the tier 3 day. And then let's go to Nas. So Nas, what do you give Nas? Maybe tier 2. Tier 1 was fucking. So I just want to say this. Tier 1 was fucking yesterday. So 7/9/2025, tier one. Tier one. That's a tier one fucking day. So was it Wednesday? Yeah. Yeah, tier one day was Wednesday. Tier one day was fucking Wednesday. Because it was ranging for these days. Ranging. It's time to go. Time to go. Maybe it comes back up here, supports, and it could break up. Or it could just keep dropping down. It could keep dropping down, and we could get somewhere up there and rise above to the kingdom. Like, in all honesty, Nas really hasn't been selling. Like, even if it sells, it wouldn't stay sell. Like, it sells, it drop off, it come off, drop off again, and then after that, like, so all right, you want to start buying, boom, boom, boom. This is a ranging day. It sells off, comes up. You try to sell, probably won't even sell for this day. So you kind of come up for this day. Like, look at this. This is just buy momentum, buy. Now we in this. You was just in this ranging area of the market. So when it's ranging, the EMAs don't really work too good. That's what I've noticed about EMAs. It's like when it's ranging, like look at it. It's like, okay, let's just say this is buy momentum. So R is buying. Okay. Now you say it's selling. But as soon as it starts selling, look at it just rip through the buys. Like where are you even buying it? Now it's buying again. So you come to this day, in which this day is actually not that bad. It comes down, maybe comes down here, and look at the time. It's about 4. You probably won't want to trade anyway. So all right, now if we go into this day, it's a sell, but it starts off. You probably sell off here at most 9:30, breaks out. Then it's a sell. This is actually a perfect day because of what? It sells at 9, comes up, sell, boom. That's perfect. So, all right, this is a sell day, comes up, sell off rip. All right, that's perfect. Boom, this is a buy day. It's really ranging, so you can't tell. Another buy day, boom, comes up, you can hold. That's probably like 8 here. So this day is a buy day again, comes up, wait till like 1 to finesse, or this you really can't get none is getting high. So and then it rise up to come back down this day. Sells off. I'll be looking for a buy eventually. But yeah, it's been going up consistently, like very consistently. Like usually Nas don't stay too long. Like what I notice about Nas, I ain't even gonna lie. Like even if you say if you bought right here, this is what Wednesday. So all right, boom, you bought right here Wednesday. That's why I might just do futures, bro. Just hold this bitch. So all right, you hold this to like right here, like where you say you want to come. Uh, let's say you want to come back. Yeah, all right, Price wants to come back right here. You know what? You'll be down for a minute. So like, boom, comes all the way down. You never know. So all right, so tier two. I don't. Let's see. We have to analyze this. So all right. So off the rip, we probably won't even buy until. Mm, let's see what we have in. So for Nas, I just want to see what price actually does right here. So, all right, boom, it breaks out, comes back. Want to see what it does. Don't really like it too much. Let's speed up. So I ain't gonna lie, it was really no entries to be honest. Because where would you enter? In all honesty, yeah, entries. No entries. So even if you wanted to buy, like even if you wanted to buy, this is probably the best buy option. But if you buy them, even if you want to switch this to all right, let's just say now it's sell. Where it set off at hair. Then you do want to sell. So instead of here, this is you can say either here or here. See what price does right here. Let's just see. Boom. All right. Let's see 15. Now you see. Now it's back to buy. So okay. So let's just delete this. It's still nowhere to buy though. This is probably like a. I ain't really like this one. It's probably like a. At most like a 7, 10. Probably like a. It won't like a tier 2. So probably like a tier 2. I didn't really see nothing too crazy. This is because it's bringing out a range, so you could like get more points out of it. Today was a. Mm, let's see, what's today? Yeah. Today was yeah. Today was a tier 1. So tier. Let's see. What the day for 7/10/2025. Tier 1. Like yesterday was a tier 3. So like yesterday, tier 3. Alright. So yeah, yesterday for tier 3. All right, now we out of here. Thank you and good night, baby.